Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung S25 Ultra. You need to scroll a bit where you will find the option accounts and backup. Right here you need to tap on it. It will bring you to the accounts and backup menu. You need to scroll all the way down where you will find reset. All you need to do is to tap on it in the reset menu, scroll all the way down where you will find the option factory data reset. You need to tap on it. Factory data reset. All data will be erased from your phone, including your all this list, and all these application accounts will be deleted from your account, from your phone, sorry. So if you still want to continue, all you need to do is to tap on the reset option. The next step might be that it will ask you to verify your security, like you need to use your pattern, password, or maybe facial scan. So once you do that, the phone will be restarted and it will be factory reset. So guys, this is how you're going to do it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.